Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the new and improved Ford Expedition ActiveX. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get that nice tow hitch, rear park sensing, got a backup camera, roof spoiler, we do get roof rails as well, and with this we do get a nice split folding power liftgate, so that part can go up as well as this part. So it allows you to have a little tailgate so you can put all your stuff you're working on, or tailgate party where you can have some food to eat, all that fun. And it goes up the same way automatically, and we'll just close it like that as well, and that does close too. We do get a nice gripped running board, side view camera, turn light indicated, and blind spot detection. And move to the front real quick, we have front park sensing, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Looking in the back here, you do get quite a bit of cargo space. You get cargo space under here, as well as you can fold that up for more space as well. You get your lights back here. You can collapse and re-put up your third row and collapse your second row. Hooks and doodads hold your gear down, 12 volt, 120 USB-Cs, lights, and all that fun stuff. And I'm just gonna put that up for you again because I think it's so freaking cool. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 7 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray leather interior with some orange stitching, adjustable seats as well. To get to the back, you just put this forward and it will go automatically forward. Plenty of leg room as well, seating for up to 3 in the back. You do get some charge ports, cup holders, more storage, all that jazz, and you can put your headrest down from here by just clicking those buttons, which is pretty nice. We're gonna put that down. Plenty of door space in the back with leathering on the door. We do get these new chargers in the back front seat, USB-Cs, cup holders, climate controls, the Expedition logo, 120 volt right there, and you do get the charge ports on that side as well. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we do get those powered seats with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front. Power door mirrors, the leathering on the door, speaker system, four-wheel drive modes, liftgate, tailgate and liftgate, and parking brake all on your left-hand side, and you do get this nice new-looking dash. Taking a look at the vehicle on the inside, we get this nice new-looking steering wheel. It is touch compatible, so I'm just gonna go for there, and as you can see, depending on where I go, it will guide to it. So we're gonna go play back on our songs, volume up, and you just press it down to turn up the volume, which is pretty nice. And you can adjust your steering wheel from here, so we're gonna go for there, adjust down, and it will go down automatically, which is nice. And you do get Blue Cruise with this vehicle as well, which is all pretty nice. We got this new looking heads-up display. You get your side view camera when you turn on your turn signal, which is nice, as well as on the right here too, which is all pretty handy. Got your fuel, lane keep, and digital speedometer. You do get navigation, or you can change it to whatever you want. Engine start, Pro Trailer Assist, you got your outlets, wireless charging. It does close for a nice sleek look with the Expedition logo here, cup holders. And on this new model, you get this nice center console that does turn into more storage. You got some outlets, all that jazz, and you got some secret storage. You can put your purse down there, whatever you really like. It adds a nice clean look to the vehicle, and to get it back, you just hold it down. You get your gears, parking brake, and here you get your volume, auto stop, auto start, park assist, hazards, and 360 view of the vehicle, traction and hill assist, and you get this nice speaker sound system that goes across the dash. About me, we do have our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, and a garage door transmitter. Now looking at our infotainment system, this vehicle is powered by Google, as we can see on our navigation up there. You can add phone, profile, all that jazz, music. You have AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM. You even get Google News, notifications, Wi-Fi, all that jazz. And features of the vehicle, you can fling that open. You got your liftgate and tailgate. Auto hold, you have driver memory for the driver based off your personal settings, lighting, brightness, climate control for the back, settings, all that jazz. And profiles, or your apps and profiles. You have Maps, Play Store, any Google app you can think of, you probably have it. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, towing, software updates, quick tips, YouTube, and all that fun, and you can select widgets for your heads-up display. So you got your music, trip 1, weather, all that jazz, tire pressure, and all that fun. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EA01560, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.